Lot number 109 is a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one may have a bad fuel pump. It may be out of fuel. The gauge says it's empty. I poured a little fuel directly into the intake. I'm treating it as it had a bad fuel pump. It started right up. I was able to bring it out of the parking spot. I put her here, and now I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna pour some fuel directly into the intake, and I'm gonna start it so you could hear the engine. The engine sounds good. The automatic transmission engages, but the AC blows warm. The AC compressor did not engage. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some fuel, put some fuel in here right now, and we'll start it up so you could hear it. All right, that's a little bit of fuel directly into the intake. Please do not try this at home. Here we go. Engine sounds good. I can't rev it up, but you could hear the engine sounds good. I'll turn on the AC, see if the compressor engages. 91,506 original miles and 4,658 engine hours. The fuel just went all the way up, so it has a bad fuel pump. It's got a bad fuel pump. Let's let it run until it runs out of the little bit of fuel I put in here. Engine sounds good. This was a full police unit. This one was a full police unit. All emergency equipment has been removed. It's missing the battery. All the decals were removed, but the glue residue was painted over with a thick coat of black paint. The paint looks rough. The body has minor dents all around. Passenger door is dented. It's got all matching steel wheels. The tires are dry rotted. All 4 tires were flat, and I put 18 pounds in each one of them just to move the car around. But all 4 tires are very dry rotted and probably not safe to be driving on the road. You can see all the little cracks on there. Tires look rough. All right, it shut off. Engine sounds good. Probably has a bad fuel pump. Paint looks rough. Both driver's side doors are dented right here. Interior shows wear. Driver door panel is faded. Steering wheel is worn. Driver's seat is torn. Comes with a metal center console. Passenger seat looks good, just dirty. The dashboard is not cracked. Rear seat is black vinyl. Appears to be in good shape. Both rear door panels have been deleted. They have a plastic delete panel. Here's the passenger side. Passenger side rear door. Seat looks good. This one did have a cage inside. The cage has been removed, but the brackets remain in place. This door doesn't close unless you slam it real hard. And here is the passenger door. Looks good. It's really dirty inside. It should clean up well. All 4 rims look They look like they have surface rust, and all 4 tires are flat and dry rotted. It's missing the corner light up here. Headlights look really dull, and the paint is peeling and faded. All right, there you have it. Lot number 109, 2010 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. It looks rough. It only has 91,000 miles. Good luck.